Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm starting my daily LeetCode journey where I'll be solving problems every day and sharing my thought process with you all. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced coder, let's improve together. Today we are kicking off with one of the most popular problem, LeetCode problem number 1 to sum. This is an easy problem. Let's just go through the description once. Given an array of integers nums and an integer target, return the indices of two numbers. So we have to return the indices of two numbers such that they add up to a target. So we have to find two elements indices from the nums whose addition is giving us the value equal to target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution and you may not use the same element twice. Okay, you can return the answer in any order. Let's just go through one of the example. In the example number 1, we are given nums 2, 7, 11, 15 and a target 9. So from nums, we have to find two elements which adds up and give us the value equal to target, and we have to uh, display the indices of those two elements. So we can clearly see the zeroth and first element is adding up and giving us value equal to 9, and the indices of zeroth and fourth, like indices of this elements are 0 and 1, so we are returning 0 and 1. Let's just go through constraint once to get an idea under which time complexity we have to solve this problem. So the first condition states that norm's length is greater than 2 and less than 10 to the power 4. So if it's less than 10 to the power 4, that means we have to solve this under O of n. If we simply try to solve this via brute force will be able to solve this first, but brute force is going to take O of n square complexity, time complexity, which will just fail our uh, test cases. It will give us time exceeded error. So for solving this in O of n complexity, we can go with the hash map approach. So here what we can do is we can create a hash map. It will keep a track of all the elements in the array, and we can just run a loop where we'll be subtracting the element from the target, and we'll be finding the complement of that element in the hash map. So if that complement exists in the hash map, then we can just display the index of the elements, both the elements first we used and the second that we found, uh, the complement element as well. So let's design the code for this. So let's create a map, hash map first. We'll call it as a map and create a loop. So here I'll be using index as well as the value of that element in array. We can display it using the enumerate function in Python. E-N-U-M-E array. So using the enumerate function, we'll be getting the index as well as the value of the element in the array. Here our array is nums. Hmm. Then we'll declare a variable called complement. Complement will be target minus num. So whatever the value array is fetching, we will be subtracting that with the target and we'll be getting the complement. So what are we gonna do with this complement? So we'll write a condition if complement in map. So if this complement exists in the map, then our condition is holding true. We have to just return return the index of the complement as well as index of num. And if it's not holding true, then we can just add this complement into add this number num into our hash map. Okay, let's try to run this. Okay, we are getting an error. So what's the error? Explain indent block. Okay, we have given an indentation, so that's why it's failing. Yeah. So all our test cases, given test cases are passing. We'll just try to submit it once and get to know if all the hidden test cases are also passing. As we can see, uh, our solution is correct and we are getting accuracy of 100%. It's beating 100% of the uh, cases. And that's it for today problem. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe and comment below with what problem I should solve next. Stay tuned for more lead code solutions every day. See you in the next one. Thanks.